Kapitlu ġdid għal Malti, l-iktar għal dawk li ma jitkellmux jew saħansitra ma jifhmuhx, iżda li għandhom ħerqa kbira biex jitalmuh. Id-Dipartiment tal-Malti fl-Università ta' Malta u l-pjattaforma Verbivore ingħaqdu f'pon wieħed u bdew joffru żewġ korsijiet tal-Malti għal min ma jitkellimx il-Malti b'mod nattiv. L-idea li jitfasslu dawn il-korsijiet nibtet mill-imħabba lejn il-lingwi, kif spjegata Jona Douglas li apparti li tgħallem l-Ingliż għandha faxxinu kbir lejn l-Lsien Malti.
I really wanted to learn Maltese. I love languages, and this was the language that my nana spoke. So I was really eager to learn and quickly discovered that there weren't really very many resources. There was lots of grammar books, disparate resources on the internet, but nothing really that provided a holistic environment to learn Maltese.
Flimkien mar-rettur u x-xjenti tal-Università il-Professur Alfred Vella, Douglas qalet li ħerqana bil-bidu ta' dawn il-korsijiet. Douglas Ingliża immanda rabta ma' Malta għax nannita u buż nannita huma Maltin. Ilha sentejn tgħix Għawdex.
She taught me how to count to 10 and she taught me how to say ice cream, but my mum never let me buy 10 ice creams when we came here on holiday, so it wasn't super useful. So yeah, it was very much made in the spirit of her, with her in mind, and it's been an absolute joy to get to learn her language, and I only wish that I could speak it with her.
It-tim ta' esperti tal-Malti li ta' il-kontribut tiegħu għat-tfassil ta' dawn il-korsijiet tmexxa mill-Professur George Farrugia.